Welcome everyone. Today I'm gonna be making creamy shrimp rotini pasta. And the first thing we want to do is boil our pasta. We want to cook our rotini according to the package directions. Boil that guy for like 5 minutes. And once you're done with that, on the side we're gonna season our shrimp. The first thing I did was add salt to it. After that, I added a little bit of nut seasoning. And after the nut seasoning, I added a little bit of thyme. And the last thing I added there was paprika. So once you're done seasoning, what you want to do is you can use spoon, spatula, or whatever you want to use. Just use it to mix the shrimp together. On the other side, this is where we're going to sear our shrimp. That's added a little bit of olive oil. And that's me right there, just adding the shrimp to our hot olive oil. And the goal right here is to sear the shrimp. I'm looking at between 1 to 2 minutes per side until our shrimp is literally golden brown. That's me right there, trying to flip it. Don't forget, you want to do it like between 1 to 2 minutes on each side until when it's golden brown. And if you can see our shrimp right there, it's literally getting brown already. It's getting brown. So that's our expectation. That's what we want. You want to see it, on both sides, if that makes sense. There's one process we have to go through. There's one step we have to do, and this is where we have to make our cheese sauce. And what I'm doing right here is I'm just cutting my onions, dice them. Set your diced onion aside. Then we're gonna go back to our shrimp. And go right there is just, stirred a little bit. Now, I'll rest assured that our shrimp is, well seared. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the shrimp in a small bowl, and set it aside. Then jumping over to making our cheese sauce, I did add 2 scoops of butter. In the same pan, don't forget, in the same pan, then once you're done with that, you want to add our chopped onions. One thing I did plan adding is adding tomatoes to it. So I just add one. You can add more than one if you want to, but I add one tomato. So what I did was just cut your tomatoes into, just chop your tomatoes. Once you're done with that, we want to add our tomatoes to the pan. Stir everything accordingly. And once you're done stirring it, there's something we have to do next. What we're doing now is adding our heavy cream to it. That's me adding heavy cream to it. And once you're done adding, you want to stir it until warm. And the goal right here is stir it until when it's thick. Okay, now I think to some extent it's thick now. The next thing I'm going to do now is add my special sauce, my special spice to it. Once you're done adding your special spice, you're going to stir it again. This is where we combine everything together. We're adding our cooked rotini to the cheese sauce. And once we're done with that, we're going to toss it very well. One thing I'll remind you of is let the heat stay. Let your cooker be on a low heat, if that makes sense. Just reduce it a little bit to low heat, and that should make everything, cook gradually as expected. And now we're going to add our seared shrimp. So what we're going to do right now is gently sear the shrimp. And don't forget, let it sit on low heat for a minute to bring everything together. There's one thing I'm missing, and this is at this point in time, I'm gonna add my shredded cheese to it. It's very crucial we add that cheese to it. That right there, that's where we get that cheesy, that's where we get that juice from. Guys, let me know what you think about this video. If you have not liked the video, try to like it, show some love to it, show some comments out there. Let me know what you think about this particular recipe. If you want to see this video again, something similar to this, let me know. Just once again, I wanted to appreciate everything you all do towards my channel. You all are the best. I appreciate your support. We're close to our goal, but right now I think we're done with our food, and you have to serve it hot. You have to serve it hot. That guy looks so good. Once again, let me know what y'all think about this particular recipe. Oh my God, look at that guy. That guy looks so good. Looks so good. Thank you again, guys. Subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipe. And thank you for joining us today. Happy cooking.